Hello everyone, welcome back to Ayurveda. In the new lecture series of Samhitaadhyayan1, we started discussing the topics on Introduction to Samhita. If you have not watched those earlier videos, please do check it out from our YouTube channel Ayurveda. In the previous videos, we have discussed about Brihatrayi, Lakhutrayi, Tantra Gunas and Tantra Doshas. Next, moving to the other topic, that is Tantra Yukti. तन्त्र्यते धार्यते शरीरम् अनेन इति तन्त्रं तस्य गुणा तन्त्रगुणाः यै तन्त्रम् अलङ्क्रियते तन्त्रयुक्तादयः. So that which helps in maintaining the sharira, or that which does the dharana of the sharira or the shastra, that is considered to be tantra, and its gunas are considered to be tantra guna, which we have already gone through. And those things which do the alankara of the shastra or the tantra, that is considered to be tantra yukti. So it is a methodology to understand the samhita to bring the best of their application. So we can see how it is helping us in getting the proper knowledge or deeper meaning of the samhitas. यथा अम्बुजवनस्य अर्कः प्रदीपो वेश्मनो यथा प्रबोधन प्रकाशार्थ तदा tantrasya yuktayah. So the main objectives or benefits of tantra yuktis can be seen as Ambujavanasya Arka and Pratipo Veshmano. These are the two similes which are present here. So as the sunlight removes the darkness of an Ambujavana, or how the Deepa enlightens the darkened room, the same way Tantra Yukti help us in understanding the Samhitas in a better way, or its application can be attained in a proper manner. So Sankuchitasya Vistarako Arkastatha. As the sunlight is bringing light in the Ambujavana, the same way Sankuchita Artha can be understood, or those hidden meanings such or which are being not explained can be understood from the Samhitas. And Gudam Prakashayantiti, which is being given as the simile for Pratipo Veshmano. So those deeper meaning can be understood from the Samhitas. So the Prabodhana and Prakashana are the two objectives of Tantra Yuktis which are explained in Charaka Samhita. So if we move to the Sushruta Samhita's reference, we can see that Atrasam Tantra Yuktinam Kim Prayojanam. What is the Prayojana, or what are the benefits of Tantra Yuktis are being asked, and the answer for that is Vakya Yojana and Artha Yojana. So what do you mean by this Vakya Yojana and Artha Yojana? असद्वादि प्रयुक्तानां वाक्यानां प्रतिषेधनं स्ववाक्यसिद्धिरपि च क्रियते तन्त्रयुक्तितः. असद्वादि प्रयुक्तानां वाक्यानां प्रतिषेधनं and swavakyasiddhi are the two benefits we attain by the Vakya Yojana. That is, swavakyasiddhi means if in a seminar or if in a discussion we can justify our statement if we have understood the Samhita in the proper manner with the application of Tantra Yukti, etc. Also, asadvadi prayuktanam vakyanam pratishethanam. If the opponent is telling anything from the Samhitas without the proper meaning or proper manner, we can tell that this is not correct way, or this is not the proper meaning of that context. Such detailed description of that particular thing can be pointed out and our statement can be justified. So these are the benefits of understanding the Tantra Yukti. That is, one is Vakya Yojana, then Artha Yojana. व्यक्तानोक्तास्तु ये हि अर्धा लीना ये च अपि अनर्मलाः लेशोक्ता ये च केचित् स्युः तेषां च अपि प्रसाधनम्. Those words which are not mentioned as vyakta or not clearly told, or the arthas or the terms are very leena, very less in told, or anarmala, which is not being clearly discussed. Lesha, very much very short description is being present. In such all conditions, we can get the elaborate meaning of that concept, or the deeper understanding of the concept can be got if we know how to apply the Tantra Yuktis. So there are different number of Tantra Yuktis explained by different acharyas. Sushruta Samhita has quoted 32 Tantra Yuktis in Uttara Tantra, 65th Adhyaya. Charaka Samhita has quoted 36 Tantra Yuktis in Siddhisthana 12th chapter. Ashtanga Sangraha has quoted 36 in the Uttarasthana. Even Ashtanga Hridaya has also quoted 36 Tantra Yuktis in the Uttarasthana, and Bhattara Harichandra has quoted 40 Tantra Yuktis. So these are the Tantra Yuktis which are explained in Charaka Samhita, that is Tatra Adhikaranam Yoko Hetvartho Artha Padasya Pradesha Uddesha Nirdesha Vakyashesha Prayojanam Upadesha Apatesha Adidesha Arthapatti Nirnayaha Prasanga Ekanta Anekantaha Sapavargo Viparyaya Purvapaksha Vidhanam Anumata Vyakhyana Samshayaha Atitan Anagadaveksha Swasaknya Uhya Samuchayaha Nidarshanam Nirvajanam Sanniyoko Vikalpanam Pratyutsara Tadha Uddhara Sambhava Tantra Yuktayaha. So we will go for the enumeration of 36 Tantra Yuktis as explained by Charaka Samhita. Adhikarana, Yoga, Hetvartha, Padartha, Pradesha, Uddesha, Nirdesha, Vakyashesha, Prayojanam, Upadesha, Apadesha, Atidesha, Arthapatti, Nirnaya, Prasanga, Ekanta, Anekanta, Apavarga, Viparyaya, Purvapaksha, Vidhana, Anumata, Vyakhyana, Samshaya, Atitavekshana, Anagatavekshana, Swasaknya, Uhya, Samuchaya, Nidarshana, Nirvachana, Sanniyoga, Vikalpana, Pratyutsara, Uddhara, and Sambhava. Let's move to the individual Tantra Yuktis with its description. So the description of Sushruta Samhita, Charaka Samhita, and Ashtanga Hridaya has been quoted here. First Tantra Yukti is the Adhikarana. Tatra yamartham adhikritya uchyate tad adhikaranam yatha rasam dosham va. Adhikaranam nama yamartham adhikritya pravartade karta. So the central theme of the subject, or what is the author intending to tell about a particular topic, that is considered to be adhikarana. In general, we can consider as a topic of discussion is the adhikarana. For example, in Ayurveda, we can consider as Rasa Prakarana or Dosha Prakarana, wherein the Rasa Prakarana, all the details of the rasas are being explained, or in the Dosha Prakarana, the description of doshas are being given. So a heading or a title or a theme of a topic under which the description of that particular topic is being covered, that is considered to be Adhikarana. In Ashtanga Hridaya, we can see that they have classified or categorized this Adhikarana into different sections. Tatra Adhikaranam nama yathadhikritya pravartade shastram sthanam adhyayaha prakaranam vakyam va. So first is the Shastra Adhikarana, that is the Shastra which is pertaining to a particular topic, that is considered to be Shastra Adhikarana, Kaya Bala Ityadi. For example, Charaka Samhita is mainly dedicated to Kaya Chikilsa, whereas Sushruta Samhita is dedicated to Shalya Tantra, or Kashyapa Samhita is dedicated to Kaumara Pratya. So such Shastra which is being pertained to a particular topic, that is considered to be Shastra Adhikarana. Then Sthana Adhikarana. In the Shastra itself, or in the Tantra itself, we have different sthanas which are concentrating on a particular topic. For example, the Nidana Sthana is concentrating on the Nidana Panchaka, whereas in Sharira Sthana, it is more detailed description of the Garbha as well as the Kumara related aspects are being described in the Sharira Sthana. Or we come to the Charaka Samhita, Indriya Sthana, it is mainly dedicated to the Arishta Lakshanas. So each sthana will be describing on a particular topic, that is sthana adhikarana. Adhyayo api yat adhikritya pravartade tad adhyaya adhikaranam adhado dinacharya adhyayam vyakhyasyaamaha. So next is adhyaya adhikarana. That is, in the sthana there will be different chapters which are being telling about different concepts. So for example, Dinacharya Adhyaya, that is the Adhikarana in which that chapter tells about whole description of Dinacharya. Whatever topics are being covered under that chapter will be based on that Dinacharya. So that is Adhyaya Adhikarana. Next is Prakarana Adhikarana. That in the sthana, Shastra is there which is being dedicated to a particular concept. Then comes the sthana which is being again dedicated to a particular topic. Then comes the Adhyaya which is being on a special branch or a special topic. Next is the Prakarana. If we consider Dinacharya Adhyaya, we can see the different Prakaranas such as Dandadhavana or Anjana or Vyayama, etc. So in that context, that is Prakarana, where in Vyayama Prakarana, we can see that all the discussions about Vyayama has been explained. What are the benefits of Vyayama? What are the contraindications and indications of the Vyayama? Such all the details related to Vyayama has been explained under the chapter Adhyaya, that is the Dinacharya. So that is Prakarana, Adhikarana, a concept or a topic which is coming under a chapter. एवं वाक्यम अपि यद अधिकृत्य प्रवर्तते तद वाक्याधिकरणम. Even the shlokas also we can consider, or the sub parts in the prakarana also can be considered as different adhikarana. So the topic can be considered as the adhikarana itself, or the theme of that particular presentation is considered to be the adhikarana. Next is the yoga tantra yukti. Yena vakyam yujyate sa yogaha. That which helps in the vakya yojana is considered to be yoga. Yogo nama yojana vyastanam padanam ekikaranam. Ekikarana of the pada is considered to be yoga. Yogo nama yojana uddesha nirdeshayoho sutra bhashyorva. The uddesha nirdesha, the tantra yuktis, what it is we will be dealing in the next slides. Sutra bhashyorva, sutra and bhashya sangraha krama we have seen the tantra guna. So how we have to arrange it, or how we have to connect this sutra and bhashya, such yojana is considered to be yoga. Appropriate arrangement of the text is considered to be yoga. Various terms placed at different places are arranged to draw appropriate meaning, that is considered to be yoga tantra yukti. So for example, we can see that yuktirva yogaha pratiknya hedu drishtanda upanayo nigamanam idi panchavitaha. The panchaveva vakyas are the application of yoga. That is, the pratiknya will be told, the udaharana, hetu, upanaya, nigama, etc. will be taken up from different places or different examples or different references. So clubbing it together or putting it together, we will be getting a proper idea of what we have to tell. So that can be considered as the yoga, collecting the different references from different aspects and then putting it together for understanding a particular topic, that is considered to be yoga. So use of Panchavaya Vakya to understand the concepts can be considered as an application of yoga tantra yukti. Next is hetvartha. यद अन्यत् उक्तम अन्य अर्थ साधकम भवति स हेत्वर्थ. हेत्वर्थो नाम यद अन्यत्र अभिहितम अन्यत्र उपपद्यते. हेत्वर्थो नाम यद अन्य प्रस्ताव उक्तम अन्यत्र अपि तथैव उपपद्यते. Somewhere else a topic has been explained and we are taking that concept in this particular context in order to understand this scenario or this circumstance. So that is considered to be hetvartha. For example, Mrit pindodhihi praklityate. Water will be doing the prakletana or kletana karma for the mrit, that is the mud part. And masha duktha prabhridibir vranaha praklityata. The same way we can understand that masha will be doing the kletana karma in the vrana. So how the water is doing the kletana karma to the mrit, the same way masha will be doing the kletana karma to the vrana. So that explanation of mrit pinda and jala has been explained in some other context or some way, other part, and that same concept can be utilized in this context to understand the vrana and the different dravyas which do the kletana of the vrana. So using a concept in different places in different contexts is considered to be hetvartha. So the concepts are being explained in different parts of the Samhitas, which we have to understand in the same manner in different other contexts. Or concept will be explained in the starting of a sutra sthana, which we may have to apply in other sthanas also for proper understanding. So the one topic which is being explained that we have to apply or utilize in some other context, that is considered to be hetvartha. Next is the padartha tantra yukti. Yo artho apihitaha sutre pade va sa padarthaha. Padasya padeyoho padanam va arthaha padarthaha aparimitascha padarthaha. Padartho nama padasya padeyoho padanam va arthaha padarthaha. Padartho nama padena artho gamyate. So padartha means the word meaning. Padasya artha is considered to be padartha. meaning expressed by a single letter or a combination of letter of one, two, or many words individually or jointly. That is padasya, padayoho, padanam va artha, padarthaha. The correct meaning expressed as per that context we have to consider. For example, the term rasa will be having different meanings. If we consider the Natya Shastra, we can see that Navarasas are explained, and if we come to the Ayurveda Shastra, the rasa term is having different meanings in different contexts. For example, rasa is considered to be the rasa dhatu, rasa is considered to be the shed rasa is considered to be the mercury, rasa is also considered to be swarasa or even mamsa rasa. The same single word is having different meanings in different contexts. So as per the context, we have to identify the meaning, or we have to understand the meaning of that particular term that is considered to be Padartha Tantra Yukti. And also it is Dravya means Bhu, Jala, etc. In general, Dravya means the Prithvadi Dravyas we can understand. And Guna means the Gurvadi or Paradi Gunas, the different 41 Gunas explained in Ayurveda, we can identify as that is being explained by the term Guna. So if a particular term is being told, we have to understand what it is being meaning about. In that particular context, what meaning has to be considered. That is considered to be Padartha Tantra Yukti. So we have discussed a few part of the Tantra Yuktis in today's videos, and the rest of the Tantra Yuktis will be discussed in the upcoming videos. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel and enable the bell button for more notifications on Samhita. Keep watching and support us. Thank you. Have a nice day.